Oh boy. I turned the camera on. I turned the camera on. Woo! It's been over 2 months since I turned that camera on. I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to communicate with you. I couldn't get my finger to touch that button because I couldn't talk. And I'll tell you why. If you follow me on Facebook, you already know. But my mom passed away, and it was heartbreaking. It was relief also because the poor thing was not doing well. And I prayed to God and not let her suffer, but it doesn't matter if it's a relief or not. You still feel destroyed in a fog, frozen. You know, I haven't left my house except for major events that have come up. Like we had a memorial for my mom. It was beautifully done. My granddaughter and my kids organized the whole thing. And my granddaughter they had a bridal shower for her, and my kids got me tickets for a concert just the other night. So I did go, but I haven't gone anywhere. I just want to be in my own bubble. I guess it's grieving. I guess it's mourning. But it's like it all came crashing down. And what I can say is that while I've been in my own bubble, I have been very productive. One project after another, cleaning, organizing, redecorating, decluttering, repairing, painting. So that mentally has helped me to feel productive. Although my day never feels productive without recording a video for you. And I know I had to get back on. I know. I know it's the best thing for me. And I'm here to tell you that I am going to try to come back. I have a basket of stuff to show you. I have shopped also. And I need to have your feedback. I need to communicate with you again. So happy I did this video. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're doing great. And just know that I have been in my own bubble for the past, I don't know, it was June 19th my mom passed away. And since then I have just been stuck. I haven't posted anywhere except Facebook to let everybody know. I need to get back on, and I'm back on today, so that's good. My next video I'm going to show you everything I bought, and I haven't put on makeup, jewelry, or nail polish. I did that when my sister passed away. I didn't put nail polish on for a year. I didn't go on social media for a year, but I know my mom would not want me to do that. She wanted me to get out and communicate and socialize and talk to people and do my videos, and so I'm just pushing myself, and it feels good. Thank you all for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you all. Yay, I did it.
You are the love of my life, one thing that's good in this life, and I'll spend the rest of my days just loving you. You are the love of my life, the heart and soul of my life. Once I was lost and alone.
Love you.